everyone, welcome to my channel Foodie Yarn. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute pizza slice. I used 3mm crochet hook. Pull the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over and tie the yarn. This is called the slip knot. Yarn over, pull through, chain 2, skip 1 stitch and start from next stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We should make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Just chain 1, turn your work and make a single crochet. We should make a single crochet in this stitch. In last stitch, we should make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. This is called increase. Like this. 1 more in same stitch. And just chain 1, turn your work, and make a single crochet in each stitch. But in last stitch of every row, we should make 2 single crochet into the same stitch, and this is increase. Again like this, and chain 1, turn your work, and like before. We should follow this pattern for 6 rows, as you can see. Don't forget to like this video. In last chain of 6 row, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and add your white yarn like this, and chain 1, turn your work, and in each stitch, make just 1 single crochet, like before. And in last stitch, we make 2 single crochet into the same stitch, and this is called increase. We should follow this pattern with this color for 3 rows. After 3 rows, we chain 1 and turn our work and make a slip stitch in each stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through. In last stitch, again a slip stitch and cut it and tie it. In next, I show you how to fasten off. Like this, you should turn your work and fasten off like this. And just cut the tail. Let's go for cheese. We make a slip knot like before, chain 2, and skip 1 chain and just make a single crochet. In next chain, chain 1, turn your work, just make 3 single crochet into the same stitch. Like this, 1 more, and chain 1. Make a single crochet into this stitch. In last stitch of each row, we should make 2 single crochet into the same stitch like before. Follow this pattern for 6 rows. After 6 rows, just chain 1 and turn your work and make in each stitch slip stitch like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through. And just tie the yarn, cut it, and tie it. Pull the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called the magic ring. Next, we make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Just make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. And after that, just tie the yarn and close our magic ring. And make a slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 1 and tie the yarn and cut it. Tie this, turn your work and tie 2 pieces of yarn together. And you should make 2 of this. And just glue the parts together. I glue eyes and pepperonis, and just make our smile like this with black yarn and your needle. And tie 2 pieces of yarn together and cut it. And just glue in other pieces. Don't forget to like this video, and for more tutorials, please subscribe and hit the bell. And if you have any question, ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.